Okay, hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. It's Nao of Ahhhsoneo saying hello. I'm back in front of my little bookcase. So, I haven't done this in so long, you guys, but I do have an unboxing because, you know, YouTube kind of sort of made me do it, and also Chanel price increase might have had an impact a little bit, not so much, but I did have something I wanted to share with you guys because I finally got a new purse. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing. You guys know I've kind of went off unboxings for a while there, but I did finally get a new bag. I got a little something in from Bloomingdale's. I love Bloomingdale's. Who doesn't love Bloomingdale's? And I totally, utterly fell under the spell of this bag because I've been watching YouTube videos, and honestly, YouTube made me do it. So, you guys, I went ahead and jumped on the Kurt Geiger bandwagon. Yeah, and I picked up one of their new bags. I think it's called a Kangaroo. Oops. I'm really, really loving the color. I've been wanting a green bag for so long, and just things are fine. Never picked one up in quite the right shade that I wanted. So I'm not gonna lie, I really, really want a Chanel emerald green flap. But those are unicorns. I see them going for like 13,000 US dollars. Yeah, you heard that right. And you know, for that kind of money, I would just buy a Birkin. Actually, for that kind of money, I would put it in an investment fund. So, yeah, I kind of decided that I love this green too, and that I thought this would be an absolutely fabulous way to go. And I just keep seeing so many Kurt Geiger videos, and I just thought, well, why not? I'm really tempted. This was a bag bought absolutely sight unseen for me. I've never seen one in the wild, so this was like a gamble. So a few things about this bag that really just kind of surprised me. I do like how they have the little name on the back here. It does say Kurt Geiger right here on the back. And it was really well, nicely packaged. With straps like that. It's very much like a Chanel bag, a typical Chanel flat bag, in that it has the two holes here that allow you to wear it with a long strap or as a shoulder bag. I love a shoulder bag, or I love a handheld bag. I'm not really a crossbody, especially when it's a strap like this, because then, you know, it gives you that mono boob look, which I can't stand. So, and I think what I'm loving most about this bag is, I hope you guys can see that, this right here. Isn't that beautiful? I really, really like that whole little bird head that they have going on there. Another thing that really threw me off about this bag, again, I have never actually physically seen one of these in the wild, but they have this, the double snaps here, which I really like, because I think a lot of times with some of, especially the bigger Chanel flaps, you'll see that people tend to pull at it from the corner here, and the edges tend to go up when you're looking on the pre-sale market, the pre-love market, and it's such a, it's a pain. It looks uncomfortable. But if it can flap down the way this one does, then I'm assuming that kind of mitigates that problem. So well packaged. I was really happy with that. I got my Kurt Geiger dust bag in here. And yeah, I will you know, pull that up and carry it as a shoulder bag. I do believe this is the Kensington bag. I'm not sure of the color. Hold on, let me look it up. It doesn't say the color on the receipt, but it's like a hunter's green, mint green. Oh, look, maybe it says it here on the strap. Teal. It says teal. Isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely can't wait to wear this and share it with you guys and just put it into my rotation. So basically that's it. I just wanted to share a bag that I recently got in and have been absolutely in love with. Haven't had the opportunity to wear it yet because I haven't really gone anywhere. Plan on using it this weekend. Yeah, but that's it. So bye guys. Hope you guys have been well. I can't believe it's already March. Well, time is speeding up. That's literally how I feel. Time is speeding up. But yeah, All right, we'll see you guys soon. More videos coming up, definitely. Bye. Oh, choose happiness, guys. No matter what, no matter where, no matter how. Always choose happiness. Bye.